Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I've got a short scale 5-string to show you today. This is number 988. It's for an old customer, David. So these short scale instruments, it's an 11-inch rim, and then the banjo scale is only 20 inches. So it's nice and small and comfortable, not as small as the mini ones we make. I find it's a good proportion, even though the neck is shorter. I really like it. So the main wood for this one is some curly cherry. That's all some cherry that came from the clockmaker's stash in Portland. Some nice gentle big flowing curves in this cherry. I really like it. And then walnut is the secondary wood. So there's just some nice local walnut here for the caps and the stripes down the neck, and then the fretboard and head plate. Nice curly stuff up here and a little sun there for the customer. So yeah, nice mix of some gently curling woods and then some tighter curling woods. It's pretty cool. It's got a K&K pickup. It's got armrest, synthetic head, little cherry and walnut bridge too. This is strung with our non-steel strings, regular G tuning. Yeah, I really love it. This is almost identical to an instrument I made for our friend Marianne, cherry and walnut like this, and hers is maybe cherry and pistachio. Anyway, cherry short scale 5-string. Turned out great. So this is 988, ready to go. Cheers.